Okay guys, now I will explain the three kind of problem solving that can come tomorrow in the exam. And my aim is just, I find this course is like easy and it's just 2 credits. So I don't want any one of us to just take this course again. It's really so boring, I can tell you that. So I will tell you the first one should be networking or graphing theory. The second problem is queuing theory. And the third is simulation. And I will start with simulation. You will be given 3 tables. The first table of arrivals, the second for unloaded, and the third for the combination of these informations. And I want you firstly to understand the logic of this problem. The logic is we give the computer some probabilities, and we want the computer to expect how this system will be working for example, 13 days. And the computer is guessing some numbers related to this probability we give it to the computer. So firstly, we have to guess what these numbers are. So, for example, here we have the probabilities are like 6 rows. The first one has probability of 0.13, and we should here make fill the cumulative probability and the random interval. How can we make it? We say that here the first day we have 0.1, and the second day should the probability at the second day should have the range the combination of above and its day. So it will be 0.30. And the third day will have this plus that one, it's 45. And the third will have this plus that one, it's 70. And that's 90, and that's 1. So we have to end with 1, okay? Here also we will have to end with 1. So what's telling us here? The random number of interval here, how can we do it? It's starting from 1, we always starting from 1, and we end to this number, it's 13. Then we will start here from 14. So the computer, for example, will say to us, the random number is 6, so we will be in this interval, so we will have 0 arrivals. Or he will tell us 14. If it tells us 14, we will be in this interval, so we will have 1 arrival. So from 14 we go to 30, and so on. So we will go 31 to 45, and here from 46 to 70, and here from 71 to 90, and here from 91 to 100. And if you didn't understand this table, I hope you understand it from here. We are just calculating the cumulative probability. The first day should have we just start with that one. Then the next day will be the combination of these two, and the third row will be the combination of this, and the fourth, and that will be 1. So here we start from 1 again, and we end to 5. So the probability of this is just the range from 1 to 5. The probability of that one, the range from 6 to 20, because we have to end here at 20. And here we start from 21, because we cannot repeat 20, and we end at 70. And here 71 to 90, and here 91 to 100. So this is how we fill this table, and that table will help us filling this big table. This big table is telling us this is the first day, this is the number of delayed trucks, from yesterday, how many trucks we didn't unload. This is the random arrival. This is the arrivals that will come. This is the total number of unloaded trucks. This is the random of unloaded. We get it from here. And this is the number of trucks unloaded from that day, in that day, from that table also. So we will start. In the first day, we have just 0 from yesterday because we're just starting today. And we say, okay, how many arrivals have come? And we get it from the table. So we have random 52. So the computer says 52. So 52 is lying here in this row. That's 3 arrivals. So we have 3 arrivals in the first day. And so the total number of unloaded, it's just the combination of arrivals and the trucks from yesterday. So yesterday, ne kadar kaldı? 0. Today we have 3, so we have only 3 today. And okay, how many trucks did we unload? The computer says to us, check 37. We go here and we check 37 from the unloaded, so from the unloaded table. And the unloaded table says that we have unloaded 3 trucks. Okay, so we should have unloaded 3 trucks, and we already unloaded 3 trucks, so we are now here starting with 0 from yesterday, and the computer said to us the probability is 6 arrival, so the arrival is 6, so we have 0 arrivals at this day, and because we have 0 yesterday and 0 today, we have 0 that should be unloaded, and we check the random unloaded, we find it 63. 63 is saying to us we should unload 3 trucks, but actually we didn't have any trucks to unload, so we should have put 0. And here we start the next day with 0 trucks, and the arrival is 50, the probability is 50, so 50 is lying here again at 3, so we say that we have 3 arrivals today, 3 and 0, we have 3 that should be unloaded. Okay, how many did we unloaded? We check it from the probability, it's 28. 28 from unloaded, it's 3, so we have unloaded 3. So we should have unloaded 3, and we exactly unloaded 3, so we start the next day with 0. Okay, how many arrivals came that day? 88, and 88 from arrivals is here. 88, so we have 4 arrivals. 4 arrivals, and so we will have 4 that should be unloaded, 0 and 4. So we have to be unloading 4. So how much did we unload exactly? We see 2. 2 unload from the unloading table is lying here, and that's saying us we just unloaded 1. So we should have unloaded 4, but actually we unloaded 1. So in the next day we will have 3 trucks in the factory waiting to be unloaded, and the arrival we check it from here again. 53 is lying here, so it's 3. So we will have 3 arrivals, and we have 3 from yesterday, so we should have be unloading 6 trucks. This is a combination of that and this. So how much did we unload? That's 74. We check 74. It's 4 here. We just unloaded 4. So that tells us we should have unloaded 6, but we just only could have unloaded 4. So we will have the next day 2 unloaded. And we are going on like this. 30, that's from here. It's 1, so we have 1, so we should have been unloading 3, but the reality is we get 3, so we will have 0 here because we should have unloaded 3, but we unloaded exactly 3, so we will have 0, and we will go on that table the same way. I hope it was useful, and I hope all of us will solve this problem tomorrow, and I hope no one of us will take this dars again. And good luck, and I'm sorry that's late, but I just could do it now. Thank you.